The lollipop stick insertion machine is a key piece of equipment in the candy production line used to automatically insert sugar sticks during the lollipop forming process. The following is a detailed introduction to the lollipop stick insertion machine. Working principle: sugar ball conveying and positioning. Through conveyor belts or transmission systems, sugar balls cooled to an appropriate temperature are conveyed to the rod insertion station to ensure that the sugar balls accurately stop at the rod insertion position. The rod insertion action. Under the command of the control system, the rod insertion mechanism is activated, driving the rod insertion device such as the push rod, cylinder, etc. to remove the sugar rod from the silo and precisely insert it into the center of the sugar ball. Sugar stick fixation and withdrawal. After the sugar stick is inserted, the mechanism automatically withdraws, and the sugar stick is fixed inside the sugar ball, completing the stick insertion process. Features of the lollipop insertion machine in the fully automatic lollipop production line. High efficiency automated operation enables high-speed rod insertion, enhancing production efficiency. High precision, accurate positioning ensures that the sugar stick is vertically inserted into the center of the sugar ball with consistent depth.